There we go. That's better. What's up, guys? My name is Gloria, and today I'm going to show you how to make pizza. Ooh, yes. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to get a bread machine. If not, you can just do this with a mixer or just with your hands. So, yeah, as you can see, we're not going to do it with our hands today. So, to the bread mixer, I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of flour. I halved it though, so 1.25 cup of whole wheat flour and 1.25 cup of white flour. And we're just gonna pour that into our bread mixer. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a cup of warm water, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons and 1/4 of yeast. Right in there. And then you want to close your bread machine, select the correct thing, and click start. So, and while this is mixing, you want to add a tablespoon of Italian seasoning and a 1/2 tablespoon of oregano. Looks a bit dry, so I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water. Cool. And now you just want to let this go for 1 hour and 30 minutes. If you're making it with your hands or with a stand mixer or whatever, you just want to mix it up, then set it in a bowl, put something over it like a towel or plastic wrap, and set it somewhere warm so then it can rise. And you want to let it rise for 1 hour or 2, or until it doubles or triples in size. So I'll see you then. Bye. Okay, so here's our dough. It has been rising for 3 hours, and now I'm just going to cut it in half to make 2 12-inch pizzas. I'm going to use just regular baking pans, and I'm just going to spread some olive oil on there to make sure our pizza dough doesn't stick. It will also make the bottom crispy. Now we're just going to spread our pizza dough on it. I'm not the best at this, but you want to be careful so you don't get holes like how I did. You want to make sure everything's even, by the way. So when I'm all done with this, I'm going to get a fork and I'm just going to stab the pizza so we don't have any air bubbles pop up. So then I'm just going to mince some garlic. You'll need 1 clove, and you're just going to chop that into really, really small pieces and add it to 3 tablespoons of melted butter. In addition to the garlic, we're just going to add a little bit of fresh thyme, oregano, and basil from my garden. You can use dried if you want, but I wanted to use fresh, and I'm just going to mix that into our butter and garlic mixture. Now we're going to brush that onto our raw pizza dough so it will crisp it up when we put it into the oven. We're going to put it into the oven at 425 for 11 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and we're going to start assembling. So, my toppings today are just going to be cheese and tomato, so I'm just going to slice a little bit of Roma tomato on top, and this is my homegrown product, man! Woo! So I'm just going to use tomatoes instead of pepperoni, and, next is just the regular assembly, just some tomato sauce. So you can see our garlic's on there, it looks so pretty. Well, not really. It looks good to me. So, I'm just going to put some regular low moisture, I don't know, mozzarella. That's what I usually use, and it works well. Then I'm just going to place our sliced Roma tomatoes on, and then we're going to slide this back into the oven at 425 for 14 to 18 minutes, or until it looks how you want. I put mine in for 15, and it looks really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!